This Makita XGT Cordless Microwave is quite handy. It heats food without needing a power outlet, so it's great for job sites or camping. Moreover, it uses Makita's 40-volt Max XGT batteries. Therefore, you can enjoy cordless convenience. Furthermore, the Makita XGT Cordless Microwave has two power levels. There are 350 watts and 500 watts available. Also, it has a decent interior space. To be precise, it offers 2.1 gallons of capacity. Hence, reheating your lunch is easy. Besides that, the design is sturdy and water resistant. For example, it has a tempered glass door. In conclusion, the Makita XGT Cordless Microwave is a useful tool. It's portable, and it's durable too. Think of it as a personal chef on the go. Because it's tool only, you'll need your own batteries. But if you have Makita XGT batteries, this microwave is a winner. Get the Makita XGT Cordless Microwave and enjoy warm food anywhere. The Makita XGT Cordless Microwave brings convenience to any location. This Makita XGT Cordless Microwave is a great addition to your tools. Pros: game changer. A must-have. Heating on the go. I freaking love this thing. Happy with its performance. Does what it was designed for. Plenty time to cook. Batteries last all week. Work battery last longer. Arrived in just a few days. Cons: not a high-watt microwave. Needs 40-volt batteries. Batteries and charger are extra cost. No English instructions. Received a non-working unit. Features: 40-volt Max XGT system, lithium-ion battery, 1.5 CUFT capacity, cordless design, microwave, oven, tool only, portable power, job site ready, easy to use, durable build. The Makita MW001GZ is a cordless microwave designed for portability. Powered by Makita's 40-volt Max XGT lithium-ion battery system. Battery and charger sold separately. It has a 1.5 CUFT capacity, making it suitable for heating meals on job sites or during outdoor activities. This tool-only unit features a durable build, is easy to use, and offers a convenient way to have hot food anywhere. This Makita cordless microwave is seen as a very useful tool for heating food on the go, with users expressing love for its performance and the long-lasting batteries. It arrived quickly and does what it's supposed to do. However, it's not a high-watt microwave and needs specific 40-volt batteries, which cost extra. Some users reported receiving a unit without English instructions or even a non-working one.